Welcome everybody. Today I'm being joined by assistant and we are unboxing today Blokees Galaxy Defender 07. So this is what one box looks like and what you could possibly get. Now assistant will help me choose one box. Any box. Okay, thank you assistant. Now we will put it aside. Assistant, you may open this. There is also a gimmick. If you get the lion convoy, you can take the lion part of the face and take it out. You also can then attach it to lion convoy's shoulder to make some tornado shield thing. Assistant, you may open the first box. Okay, now we got a cliff jumper, part of the G1 Autobots. Assistant, have you gotten anything? Okay, I'm now going to start opening. So this is his gun. Assistant, while you wait, can we select the second box, please? Okay, thank you. Assistant, would you like helping me build the hands? Okay. Well, I did it. Oh yeah, please give him the gun. So this is the completed cliff jumper. In my opinion, he's a nice character. Okay, now assistant, can I have the second box? You may open it. Okay. So now we got the lion mode lion convoy. Now please stand by. We are going to pause the video for a bit to build lion convoy. This is the completed lion convoy beast mode. Now assistant, you may help me select another box. Now we'll see what we get next. Assistant, you may review the car. Okay. Now we got Sludge. Assistant, you may help me build Sludge according like what you wanted, or I go take another one. is we got the big convoy. So now it either means we can get Nemesis Leo convoy or the special armor type Leo convoy.
Yeah.
So now this is the completed big convoy. Now let's while we wait for assistant, I'm going to take a new box. Wait a second. Blokees don't do their cards anymore, the big ones. Okay, I'll just take one box first. Why I say they don't use the big cards anymore because last time I bought series 2, but then after that, it had a card which is Starscream. Okay, now I can't seem to find the inside this box. So now this is the completed Dinobot sludge. Assistant, you may help open. Maybe just extra. This one. So now this is Ratchet's vehicle mode. Now we're going to be doing, give us a bit and we'll come back shortly. The completed Ratchet vehicle mode. He's an ambulance. You also can open up at the back. And also open up from the sides, which reveals his gun, where you can put any Blokees defender to hold it at the back as if he was piloting the gun. So now we'll open the next box and we'll be right back. So now we got another box and we're opening to see who we get next. Assistant, are you having issues? Let me review, and we got the Beast Wars Galvatron, which in my opinion looks nice. In this set there will actually be 2 Galvatrons. One purple Galvatron from Transformers G1 and one Beast Wars one. And it seems like we got the Beast Wars Galvatron. So now we'll be right back. This is Beast Wars Galvatron, not the original. So now we have completed half of the box. So in part 2 we will complete the other 6 boxes. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, that will really help me out a lot. And if you want, please like and share.